All right, guys, I'm back. And as we continue the saga of uh, what is surely the craziest story that nobody is talking about on the entire world right now, about to explain to my daughter. Come over here so I can see you, daughter. I need to see your face as I explain to you. The Apprentice is an American television show. I'm going to actually record you with this camera as I explain this to you so I can tell you. Is an American television show that was hosted by who would become our president, Donald J. Trump. Okay. So he was on television starting in 2004, and it actually ran until 2017, where he had a show where he had people come on and they did things for him. And if they did shitty jobs, he said they're fired. And that was his whole pitch line. And you're telling me you've never heard of the show? You've never seen the show before. Okay, so basically, existed for basically 13 years that was on television. Okay, people saw the show. Donald Trump was on it, Eric Trump, Don Jr. was on it, Ivanka was on it, a whole bunch of celebrities were on it, a whole bunch of like guest appearance people were on the show. Okay, right? And as you're aware, the show was on NBC. Well, you may have not known that, but the show was on NBC, which is a Peacock thing. And so you would think, like most things in the internet, you could go on the internet and you could watch episodes of the show, right? Yeah, that's right. You would think that in our ever connected world of global society that somehow we could find The Apprentice. But I have searched, people, I assure you, high and low. It's not available on Amazon. You cannot buy boxed sets of it. I mean, you can buy season 5, but where is season 8? And this is why this is important, because as we know, we're talking about Herschel Walker right now, and Herschel Walker was on The Apprentice season 8. Where are the DVDs? This is the one that I found so far. It's $9.99. I'm going to add this to my cart. I don't even know where this website's at. It's probably super sketchy, but it says I can get it for $9.99. So I really don't know who these guys are. It's super sketchy. I'm just going to give them a credit card that I don't care about. And I'm going to hope that somehow this DVD shows up at my house. But anyways, you can go online and you can like look up other shows. I can look up a lot of other shows and I can find things. I found episode number 1 of this season. The one episode where Herschel Walker's in it. And it's an okay episode, but I must see the rest of this. And now that I know that it's not available anywhere to be found, I have to know why. What kind of conspiracy is going on where an entire season of a television show that was on, and if you want to talk about it, Herschel Walker was on, I think, season 8, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Herschel Walker was on here with Clint Black. Uh, let's see who else. Andrew Dice Clay, kind of crazy. Tom Green was on the show. Dennis Rodman was on it. Khloe Kardashian. You know about Khloe Kardashian? You probably heard that name. But anyways, there were all of these challenges, okay? And I want to see what happened with Herschel Walker. Why is The Apprentice not available? Let's try The Apprentice. The Apprentice. Where is the show? Where is it? Let's see if we can find any episodes. Here's season 5. There's one season of The Apprentice. Guys, where is this DVD at? Find this DVD for me, please. I am begging you. The saga continues. This is it for now. I just had to share this update to this